Welcome back, everybody. I hope you're doing great today. So glad you could be with me here. Walter, at the workbench. And I'm not making shavings. I will, but I'm not. Today's video is really kind of a video response to a question, and that was, I bought a new plane. What do I do? How do I set it up? And so on. Well, I wanted to go back one step, maybe two steps. Before you buy the new plane, you need to know the hows and the whys of buying a new plane. Why do you buy a new plane? Okay? And I'm talking a new plane at least in the medium to high range. Don't buy the lower end junk. Don't buy the lower end junk. Okay? They're paperweights. If you've been watching my video for any amount of time, you've seen some of the junk that I bought that was made even 50 years ago. It's not worth it. Okay? You need good tools, and there's good 50, 60, 70, 80, 100-year-old tools out there. But you gotta know the how-tos to get those old tools to work just right. And then if they're not giving you the performance you want, then you need to know the why before you buy a new tool. Okay, that's it. The next thing is, if you're a total beginner, the first thing you need to do is read, listen, watch. So read books, listen to other people who have been doing the craft for 5, 10, 15, 20 years, or like me, 50 years. You can pick up some good tips, tricks on YouTube, but YouTube, you have to be a little careful. There's a lot of people out there strictly for the clicks. You get a lot of clickbait, a lot of hype. Yeah, I'm a Taylor Toolworks associate, but that's not why I do it. I haven't made any money from it yet. Would like to. So if you buy anything from Taylor Tools, I get a spiff. But the thing is, you want to find a mentor, a school, take classes, seminars, go to woodworking shows, go to tool events. Lie-Nielsen puts on these tool events, which are fantastic. I mean, I think, if I'm not mistaken, they are the only company making high-end quality tools that takes a fortune of tools. And they'll meet up at some event, some school, a lumber yard, and they let you try all their tools, all of them. Okay? And they have staff there to help you. And sure, you can buy stuff from them then, or you can order them up to be sent to you. But the biggest thing that a newcomer to our craft is getting the knowledge from the old timers to be able to set your planes up so they give you the performance that you want. Okay? So that's about it for this video. I'm not going to go into a big long rant, but that's where we're going to start. And then what we're going to do is start taking this new plane apart. And step by step, I'll show you what I look at, and I'll try to break them down into short videos. So if you have any questions for me, if you're interested in buying some new tools and you're not sure what to do, there's an old saying, you get what you pay for, but how do I want to say this? Can you get the results you want without buying the top of the line? And the answer to that is yes, but you need to know how to tune up your tools to give you that results. You can throw all the money you want at it. I know guys who, if they've got $1 tied up in their workshop, they've got $100,000. It doesn't make their work any better than mine or any better than somebody with $1,000 worth of tools in a box. You're just throwing money at it. You gotta know the how, the why, the ins and outs. So, enough said. I'm wishing you all the best today. Like, subscribe, and share. Hope you found something helpful, useful. Nothing entertaining in this one. You go have a blessed day. Walter out.